Hi guys, Journal 8, Video 8, referring to some of our grammar mistakes or examples from previously. Mine this time is EG and EI, the difference of or using the meanings. So the EG means for an example and IE means in other words, or that is. An example that the website below shows, it says I study wild dogs, and it has EG/IE wolves. It can be used either way, and I'll explain later how that's so. But by using it either way can also change the meaning of what you are writing. So use the EG to give an example and the I to repeat yourself with different words. Biggest now that I know the easiest way to remember is E is for examples, I is for identify. So that would be, it's getting specific with something. So like I study wild dogs, e.g. wolves. I study wild dogs, i.e. dogs that have not been domesticated. So it's the difference, if I would say wolves, hyenas, dogs, then that would be a non-domesticated animal. But then when I said domesticated, it'd be or dogs, that already have pets. That's what it's referring to. Now, if you was trying to explain something, like say you went somewhere and you went to a new store and the store just opened up, and you started explaining to someone what the store had, and get them to come there. Like a shoe store, for instance, you could say, man, this shoe store had Nike, it had Adidas, and then you could start going on with all of the names of shoes. So you could do that, and you could use that IE or EG. A little example is what the website referred to was, it happened in August, i.e. 2 months ago. The IE referring to in other words. It happened in August, e.g. is 2 months ago. E.g. means examples, right? So that's not correct. Service charge is included in all prices, i.e. you don't have to leave a tip. Now, getting them wrong or confused, not necessarily not grammatically incorrect. However, it'll change the meaning or the sentence. So all amphibians are thriving in the new pond, e.g. 2 bullfrogs were being very active yesterday, which is okay. If I said all amphibians are thriving in the pond, i.e. 2 bullfrogs were being active yesterday, that's okay too. That's just showing it. But the difference is you can fear that there are more amphibians than bullfrogs in the pond if you use EG. And if you use IE, the only amphibian in the pond is the bullfrogs. Yeah. So I think if you look down into right after the the blog comments, not the reference section, it has another little link there, and this is a picture that I found, and I thought it was kind of cool and relevant to today, in the way we communicate to each other, or even texting, through texting or verbal. So it's basically a picture. It has IE and EG. They're elder, they have white hair, they have cane, she's knitting. So and then there's another older woman, no hair, grumpy, But then you got the other side of it, which is the new school. We call it old school or new school. So the new school is calling them old because their words like LOL, BRB, things like that. So I thought it was kind of cool to see how it changed and how it's referred to today. But in actuality, the word still means the same as it did 20 years ago as it does now. So I think it's just a matter of how it's being used and whether it's being used in the right way or not. So yeah, the way I'm going to remember it is I is for identification and E is for example. But there are many different websites out there that I looked at, and pretty much all of them are about the same thing. Not too much change, obviously, because there's only a few ways you can divulge information on an example of something. So, yep, enjoy it. Hope you have a good one. We'll talk to you later.